O dear Holy Yusuf, cradle of your family, let us all gather in love and community and joy, and show us the world through your generous eyes. With love you touch us, with grace you gift us, with your warmth you keep everyone together in understanding and community. Amen.